Hi there, you got a Stihl FS 130 or one of the 4-stroke Stihls that have oil in an oil mix. When you fuel it up, there's a good chance that it'll run rough and run rich, and you wonder what's going on. Why is this thing not working? Well, I found a simple solution after doing 2 carb kits and checking the tappets and changing plugs, spark plugs. This air filter in here, because this thing splatters petrol while it's running, this thing clogs up, and so I sprayed it out with degreaser. It's still pretty wet. Both sides sprayed it with degreaser, and anyway, I tested it after trying everything I could possibly think of, just about to give up, and then I found that when I was pumping the primer bulb, it would actually surge like it was temporarily starving of fuel, like the opposite of having the choke on. The choke would kill it when it was running rough, so I knew it wasn't running lean. And I tried, I don't know if you can see in here, I tried all sorts of things inside the, the mixture screws are little M3 hex nuts with tiny clearance around them. So what I did, I got a little a little cutting disc on one of those little rotary tools, little electric die grinder type little tools, and cut a slot right through the aluminium housing, both sides, and then cut through the screw, so I could actually screw out the mixture screw with a little flat-headed screwdriver, and that wasn't the problem. So I just pulled the air cleaner out of it and ran it with no air cleaner, and it was brilliant. So that was the problem. The air cleaner was fouled up by the fuel. Of course, having oil in the mix, strange for a 4-stroke, but that's what they do. The oil remains when the air cleaner dries out, and that's what clogs it up. So after trying everything, I even tried made sure the mesh, took the screen out, made sure that was clean. That's another thing that can happen when you're burning oil. So that's possibly might solve your problem.